What happens to the birds when they grow too old? Fly south in the winter to escape the cold. What happens to the owl when he can hunt no more? The food in the larder, none to store. Do they die, or do they live nature's way, a natural sieve? Do they die, or do they live nature's way, a natural sieve? The tree knows when summer turns and autumn arrives, the leaves yellow, evergreen, or the shed below. How do they know which way to go? Do they die, or do they live nature's way, a natural sieve? Do they die, or do they live nature's way, a natural sieve? To learn from nature, the story to tell, its natural rhythm would do us well. The seasons are there to show us the way, life's natural rhythm we can't outplay. Do we die, or do we live? We can't outplay nature's sieve. Do we die, or do we live? We can't outplay nature's sieve.